Hello my dear friends, today we will be discuss about the cube and cube root of standard 8 chapter number 7. Okay, so always I told you before going to any lesson, go for the fundas. Okay, if you know the funda, then you can solve any problem my dear friends. Okay, so if you like this video, then subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, then what? You have to write the comments my dear friends. So let's start. So what is a cube first? Cube is nothing but if we multiply three similar numbers, then whatever the result will come in, we say that it is the cube of that number. Example, if I multiply 2 thrice, the result is 8. So I will write it 2 power of 3 or 2 cube is equal to 8. Same in the case of 3 also. If I multiply 3, okay, 3 times, then how much it is? 27. So I will write here 3 to the power of cube is equal to 27. Same with the case of 5 also. 4, 5, 6, whatever. But the number must be similar and it may be a pair of 3. Okay. So it will be how much? 125. I will say that 5q is equal to how much? 125. So this is the funda regarding the cube. So my dear friends, before going to any lessons, you have to remember the funda. This is the funda. And another important thing is that you have to be by heart or you have to be remember the cubes from 2 to 20. You have to by heart it. Okay, you have to remember it so that you can do the solution and the problem very quickly. Okay, my dear friends. So let's go one by one to your topic. That is exercise number 7.1. Okay, let's do it. So what is the first question? To how to find out the what? Cube of any number. If a number is given, then how you will find the cube of that number? Already we discussed that 2 to the power of 3 is how much? 8. 3 power of 3 or 3 to the power of cube is 27. 4 cube is 64. 5 cube is 125 and so on it is. Like this manner, you have to find the cube means you have to get the result. If the result is given, then how you will find the cubes of any number? Okay, so what is that? So first point is saying that if a number is given, suppose the number is what? It is saying that 216. Find the what? Or 216 is cube of which number? If it is asking 216 is cube of which number, then what you have to do? There is a one process is there, that is what? Prime factorization method. You have to be first find the what? LCM of that number. What is that? Go for it. 216 LCM. How much? It is an even number, that's why go for it. 2 1s are 2, 108. 2 5 4 2. Tell me one by one. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 40. Next. 3 9s are very good. 3 3s are very good. Like this manner you have to do it. Now write it. What is the LCM of 216? The LCM of 216 is how much? It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So make a pair of these two. How much? 2 into 3. So I will say that it is the cube of 6 cube. Okay? 2 power 2 is repeated 3 times. 3 is power of 3 times. That's why I will say that it is 6 cube. So what is that? 6 cube is how much? 216. Understood my dear friends? This is the simplest way to find out the what? Cube of any number. Okay? So let's go for the another example. What is that? In your book it is there. So let's go for the another one. Here it is given. Suppose take an example of 1000. Is 1000 is the cube of any number? Let's see. What is the process? First process, go for the LCM. So we know that 10 is divided by that number 1000. How many times? If I multiply 10 thrice, so that it will the result is 1000 and I will say that if 10 cube is, now it is 1000. So I will say that 10 cube is nothing but it is 1000, or what is that? 1000 is the cube of which number? 10 it is. Understood, my dear friends? This is the simplest example I am giving you. Let's go to another question. What is that? Here it is given 128. Is 128 is a perfect cube? Let's see. We discussed two numbers, 1000 and it is 216. Then both of them are perfect cube. Now, which number is not perfect cube? Just check it. Go for it. What is that? The number is given. Suppose it is saying that your number is 100. Suppose 100. Now, what is the LCM of 100? First find out. That is what? 10 tens are 100, 10 ones are. So, what is the LCM of 100? LCM of 100 is nothing but it is 10 into 10. To make a perfect cube, what we want? We want three similar numbers. But here two numbers are there. There is another number is missing. To make a three pairs, what we are required? Another 10. But here it is not there. So 100 is not a perfect cube here. Understood, my dear friends? Let's go for another example, 81. Okay? Go for 3. 3 2s are 3 7s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s. Again, what is the LCM of 81? The LCM of 81 is multiplication of 3 4 times. 4 times of 3. But here it is also not a perfect cube. Why? There is another extra 3 is there. So 81 is also not a perfect cube. Okay. So like this manner you have to find out whether the number is a perfect cube or not. Okay. By prime factorization method. Okay. This is the question number 1 of 7.1 exercise. Okay. Let's go for second number. What is the second number it is saying? The second number is saying, okay, what is the smallest number required to multiply a particular number so that that number is a perfect cube of any number. Okay. So take an example of 100 here so that it will be easy for you. Okay. I am changing the question now. As we discussed right now, what is that? We discussed that to make a perfect cube of 100, how many, what is the smallest number it is required here? If I multiply another 10, then this number is a perfect cube of, what is that? Perfect cube of 10, and it is, the result is 1000. Understood? So the statement you have to write here. What is the statement I have to write here? See. You have to write, okay, you have to write like this. The LCM of 100 is this much by prime factorization. You have to write the smallest number required to make 100 perfect cube is 10. That is what? 100 into 10 is equal to 1000 is equal to 10 power of 3. So this is the answer you have to write. What is the smallest number it is required? The smallest number is 10. Understood, my dear friends? Let's go to the another example. What is the another example it is saying? Let's take an example of 121. Okay, another example. So what is that? 11 11s are and 11 1s are. Here what is the LCM of 121? LCM of 121 is, what is that? What? 11 into 11. To make perfect cube, what we want? We want another 11. So we have to write the smallest number 11 is required to make 121 a perfect cube is equal to 11, or you can say that smallest number 11 means 121 into 11 is equal to 1331 is a perfect cube of 11. Okay, so what is that? 11 cube is equal to 1331. This is the answer. First find out the LCM. Then which number is missing here? To making a pair of three numbers, which how many 11s are missing here? Only one number. So you have to write the smallest number 11 is required to make 121 a perfect cube. That is, what is the result? 1331. So is a perfect cube of which one? 11. That is 11 cube is equal to 1331. Like this manner you have to find out. Okay. Now another thing is there. What is that? Let's go for another question. In here it is given as 72. Listen my dear friends, I am not doing all the questions. I am leaving some of the questions so that you can practice in your home. Okay, sorry. I have finished. So go for the second one. What is that? 72. Okay. So what is the first procedure is? You have to find the LCM of 72. Go for it. By which method? Prime factorization method. What is that? 2 3s are 6 are. Yes or no? Next. 2 18s are. 2 9s are. 3 3s are. 3 1s. Okay. Now you just tell me now to make this one a perfect cube. What is the smallest number required? So we have to write LCM of 72 each. What is that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 2 are in pairs. That is pair of 3 numbers. 2 into 2 into 2. But here which one is missing? Another 3 is missing. So you have to write the smallest number. Which one is missing? That one you have to write. 3 is required to make which one? 72 is a perfect cube of, that is what? 72 into 3, how much? 6, 216, okay? Perfect cube of 216, that is, how much it is? 6 cube is how much? 216. Like this manner you have to write it. So what is the smallest number required? The smallest number required is 3. Understood my dear friends? Like this manner you have to find out the each and every question by prime factorization method. Understood my dear friends? Okay. It is easy now? Okay. You are so smart. Okay. So concentrate it and you can solve anything. Okay. Remember the fundas? You can do anything. Okay. Let's go another one. What is that? Any question is there? Yes, it is there. That is what? 675. Let's go for 675. 675. Last number is what? 5. Go for it. 5 1s are. Then 5 3s are. 5 5s are. Again 5 2s are. 5 7s are. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. 3 1s are. So LCM of same process, same statement you have to write. Only the numbers are changing. 675 is, what are they? What are they? 5 into 5 into 3. Then now you just make it to make a perfect cube. How many numbers are there? 3 similar numbers are making a pair. Now here 3s are in pair. Which one is not pair? 5. So how many 5s are required to make it a perfect cube? Another 1 5. So you have to write the smallest number 5 is required to make which one? 675 is a perfect cube of what? Perfect cube of 675 into 5. How much it is coming? Yeah, just tell me. Yeah, quickly. Go for it. 5 25, 37, 3, 5 7 30, 3 3 7 5. Is a perfect cube of which one? It is of what? 5 3 15. So 15 cube is equal to how much? Same 3 3 7 5. Okay my dear friends, like this manner you have to write. First find the LCM by prime factorization method and you have to write what? What is the smallest number it is required to make that number a perfect cube. Okay my dear friends, let's go to the, it is saying that, remember, it is always saying that if like this one it is there, then what you have to write? And you have to think that making a pair of 3 first, so that you can write the statement. What is that? The smallest number 5 is multiplied or required, whatever you can write, multiplied, okay, multiplied, you can say also, multiplied to make 675 is a perfect cube of 3375 is equal to 15 cube is equal to 3375, like this manner. If the question is reverse one, what is the reverse one? Now come to the point. What is that? The third point is saying that, let's take an example of 81. What should I will divide it? Here, what should I will divide it so that the result is a perfect cube of any number? What should I will divide it? Means, what is the smallest number it is divided? Divided means what? You have to take out. Remember that one. Divide means take out. Okay. So, first what is the process? Good. Take the LCM. By means of which process? Good. Prime factorization. Very good. So, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3 are. Yes or no, my dear friends? So, write down the LCM of 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, I said that what is the number divided? Divided means take out. So, already 3 pairs of 3s are there. Okay. One pair of 3 is there. Another pair is not there. If I take out 3 or divided 3, then the rest of the number is a perfect cube or not? Yes. So, what you write? The smallest number 3 is divided with 81 is a perfect cube of which one? A perfect cube of 81 divided by 3 is equal to 27. So what is the perfect cube? Which one is the perfect cube? 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is equal to how much? It is 27. Like this manner you have to write it. Take out. Divide means take out. Multiple means add. Understood? Shall we go for another one? Okay, go for it. What is the next question? It is there. The next question is given 192. 192. Go for it. Yes, it is a even number. So, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8s are 2 2 4. 2 12s are 2 6s are 2 3s are 3 1s. So, write the LCM of which one? LCM of 192 or 192. What are they? It is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 6 into 3. Now here one pair of cube is there, one pair of cube is there. Which one is not there? 3 is the odd one. So what you have to write? The smallest number 3 is divided with which one? 192. So it's a perfect cube of which one? Which one perfect cube? That is 192 divided by 3 is how much right now? Just tell me. How much it is coming? It is? Tell me. 64. So, what is the number it is? Here 2 will coming. So, 4. So, 4 cube is equal to 64. Understood? So, smallest number 3 is divided with 192. So, it's a perfect square of which one? 60. Perfect cube of 64. What is the perfect cube of 64? 4 to the power 3 is equal to 64. Okay. If I divided 3 with 192, then result is a perfect cube of a particular number. Like this manner, you have to find one by one. Understood, my dear friends? So, my dear friends, if you have any doubt, write in the comments. If you like it, then subscribe my channel, my dear friends. Let's go to the last one. What is that? My dear friends, the rest of the number you just try in your home so that you can practice well and you can easily understood. Okay, how the process is going on. Okay, so fourth one is saying that Pratik is making a cuboid of side. What is that? Pratik is make a cuboid of side. Pratik is made a cuboid of side. How much? It is given. The question is given as how what? 5 to 5. 5 centimeter 2 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So remember that this is the cuboid made by Pratik. These are the sides of a cuboid. Then what is the volume of the cuboid? The volume of a cuboid is how much? 5 into 2 into 5. How much? 50 cm. Now you just tell me. Here again the question is saying that to make this cuboid into cube, what are the numbers it's required? Or what are the more sides or more number of cuboids are required to make the cube? So what is that? To make a cube, okay? So what are the things are there? Already it is given. What is that? 5 into 2 into 5 is there. Okay. But here write in ascending order so that you can easily understand. 2 into 5 into 5. To make this one a cube, what are the numbers it is required? The number is what? Another 5 is required. Yes or no? And how many numbers are there? What is that? Another 2 2's are there. Means if I multiplied 20 with 50, so that the cuboid made by the Pratik is a perfect cube. So write down, therefore, if we multiply, what is that? 20, 5 into 2 into 2 means 2 pairs. Here also making the 1 pair. Okay. 2 having 1 pair, 5 having 1 pair. Okay. So if we multiply 20 with 20 numbers of cuboid, then it's form a perfect cube. Understood? If I multiply 20 numbers of cuboid, because if I multiply 20 number of cuboid, then it's forming a pair and that whole cuboid is forming a cube, my dear friends. So this is the answer for the given question. So my dear friends, cube and cuboid is very very easy as it is compared with the square and square roots. Okay. So only thing is that you have to remember the methods. You have to by heart the cubes of the number from 2 to 20. Okay, so that you can easily or quickly do the mathematics. Okay. So my dear friends, if you have any doubt, you can write in my comments. If you like it, then subscribe my channel so that your friend will getting help from you. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.